Book of Heaven, Volume 11, March 17, 1914. One who does the divine will takes part not only in the external works ad extra of God, but also in the interior actions ad intra of the divine persons. Continuing in my usual state, my lovable Jesus kept making himself seen inside my whole being, in such a way that I possessed all of his members. He looked so content that, appearing unable to contain this contentment, he told me,
"My daughter, one who does my will takes part in the actions ad intra of the divine persons. Only for one who does my volition is this privilege is reserved, to take part not only in all of our works ad extra, but to pass from these to the works ad intra. This is why it is hard for me not to content one who lives of my will, because since this soul is in my will, she is present in the intimate place of our heart, of our desires, of our affections and thoughts. Her heartbeat, her breath, and ours are one. Therefore the contentments, the delights, the glory, the love that she gives us, all of them infinite in their way and nature, in nothing dissimilar to ours, are such and so many, that just as in our eternal love one enraptures the other, one forms the contentment of the other, to the point that, many times, unable to contain this love and these contentments, we go out with works ad extra. In the same way, we remain enraptured and delighted by this soul who does our will. Therefore, how could we render discontent one who makes us so content? How not to love just as we love ourselves, not as we love the other creatures, one who loves us with our same love? There are no curtains of secrets between this soul and us. There is no ours and yours, but everything is in common, and what we are by nature, impeccable, holy, we render the soul by grace, so that no disparity may exist between her and us. And just as unable to contain our love, we go out with works ad extra, in the same way, unable to contain the love of one who does our will, we let her out of ourselves, and we point her out to the peoples as our favorite one, our beloved, and that it is only for her and for souls similar to her that we let goods descend upon earth, and that only for love of these souls do we preserve the earth. And then we enclose her within ourselves to enjoy her, because just as we, divine persons, are inseparable, so does the soul who does our will become inseparable from us.